Well, go on, man, like Tonio. Jeez. Oh, he's talking about, don't forget, some independent woman and TLC, no, Scott. Yeah, like me, look, it's good to know, say that woman can look after herself, innit, yeah? Because you don't want a woman that solely, like me, yeah, I don't want a woman that solely depends on me or nothing like that, right? Because what if we have a kid and I die in the line of duty? Yeah, who gonna look after the kid? What? She gonna be like that pussy that killed himself? Yeah. So just in case you are watching, Tonio, some guy, his wife passed away. His wife passed away from cancer, and his wife left a daughter behind. So a wife died, left her husband behind and a daughter, and the husband is basically a pussy, innit? He killed himself or whatever, innit? Now, I wanna imagine I have a kid, yeah, with a girl, or whatever, innit? And then I die in the fucking, see what I mean? This is that mentality about benefits, you know. Imagine I die in a line of duty. Yeah? I wanna know, say that the woman can hold it down. So yeah, I respect women who, you know, can live on their own and stuff like that. But I just don't like when they're too independent. Yeah, so they need to find that balance. And I actually made a video about this. But yeah, I don't know what happened to the child. I'll just assume that the child probably got adopted or was living with the grandparents. I think my mum did say something about the grandparents, in it. But more than likely, if the parents die, usually it's gonna be their grandparents that, you know, take the child on, innit? Yeah. There's all fucking kids right now that have their parents around, but the youths fucking live with the grandparents. So yeah, more than likely it's probably the grandparents have taken on the child or whatever, which is just what a fucking dick, blood. That you got a youth behind who's dependent on you, but you go and jack it in. Come on, fam. Are you serious? Oh my days, Nadia, you're a joker, you know. Hey, listen, you can't be saying this stuff on live, you know. How can you be telling you remember watching that video over and over again to see how I can make you like